Expert golf tips that can help you. Golf can be an intimidating sport to take up if you don't know what you're doing, but it isn't impossible to master. There is no denying that there is a certain art to it, but this video discusses that art in the form of tips that you need to know, in order to excel at this very popular game. Make sure to keep your hands low during all of your follow-throughs. Doing this will allow you to lower the ball flight. This will also help the trajectory of every shot you take to be lower, and allow you to have better control over where you want the ball to go. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you relax your knees and do not pop up when you make contact with the ball. This is important because it can cause you to hit the top of the ball, causing it go little distance. If you are going to be golfing for fun, make sure to spend plenty of time at the driving range. As the old saying goes, practice makes perfect. If you are really committed to learning how to improve on your golf skills, you may want to consider taking lessons from a golf instructor. They can tell and show you things to do to improve on your swing, get the ball to go further, and improve your overall golfing skills. If the cost of this is prohibitive, you could try a golf swing analyzer, which can be found in many golf stores. Now that you have the know-how to become the next great golf pro, playing your 18 holes will be a brand new experience that you can enjoy with the same old friends. Make sure to tee off soon and show everyone your elevated prowess on the green, by making your next hole-in-one. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.